Today, we're diving into the VOFONO key fob replacement, a game changer for Jeep Grand Cherokee owners. If you've been struggling with your old, worn-out key fob, this is the solution you've been waiting for. With compatibility spanning from 2014 to 2021 models, along with Dodge Charger models from 2012 to 2018, it's a versatile choice for many drivers. Let's talk numbers first. This key fob boasts 3 buttons and comes in a sleek black color, adding a touch of sophistication to your keychain. It's lightweight, tipping the scales at just 33 grams, so it won't weigh you down as you go about your day. But what sets this key fob apart is its functionality. Equipped with FCC ID M3N40821302 and other part numbers like 560467559A, it's fully compatible with your vehicle's systems. Plus, it's been thoroughly tested and is ready for programming, ensuring a seamless transition once it's in your hands. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: programming. While this key fob arrives unlocked and unprogrammed, it's a breeze for dealers or locksmiths to set it up for you. And once it's programmed, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Before making the leap, just double-check that the key fob matches your vehicle's specifications and that it aligns with your preferences, especially if you have a one-button startup option. But beyond the specs and compatibility, let's talk about the intangibles. This key fob isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. It's a statement piece that adds convenience and style to your driving experience. And let's not forget its potential as a thoughtful gift for your loved ones on any occasion. So, if you're ready to elevate your driving experience, look no further than the VOFONO key fob replacement. It's the best gift you can give yourself or someone special. Unlock a new level of convenience and style with this must-have accessory for your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.